Okay, back here on the machine, I got the piece of metal in here, and I got it center drilled. Now this piece of metal is not exactly round, but it's not too far out. But I treated it like a piece of metal that's way far out. And we want this thing to work out. He had problems before with this, so we want this to work out. So that's why I hung it out the chuck and center drilled it here. Got it running true, then center drilled it. And that way that piece of metal's under no stress at all. And I'm not gonna have any problems once it's out of the machine, pretty much. But I got more to do. So let's make sure the control's on. The control is on, and I'm gonna start it up. And here we go. And I'm gonna set my tail center. That feels pretty good. And I'm going to put some lube on it. Get some lube on it. Oh, that's lots. It'll smoke up good. Okay, I'm going to speed it up. Maybe speed it up to 2,000. And get over here. And touch off on it. Close. Yeah, right there. Whoop. Oh, close. I want to get a couple more. Right about there. I think I'm going to speed it up another 500. Get about 2,500. About 1,500 feet here. There we go. It doesn't look too bad. Now it's at 2,500 RPM. I think that'll be good. I want to clean up the outside of that. You have to excuse me, I have a little bit of a cold going. Stops in 2 seconds. Okay, I'm gonna stick I'll stick a caliper, just a regular dial caliper in here. We'll see how close we got. Okay, we are reading about 43 there. Let's see where we're at here. We're out just a little bit, about 2 thousandths on the length. But that doesn't matter. That's going to be fine. I wanted that thing round, and it's round. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of those pieces like this, okay? And I'll bring them to that stage, and then I'm gonna, to save time, I'm gonna probably finish them in a 6-jaw chuck, just doing the ends hanging out. And I think that would get them really true and good enough with what I've got to work with. Now, ideally, I would machine these, I'd have enough length to chuck, you know, like another 1.5 inches or so of the piece of material to chuck. Then I would just do the whole thing in one set. Okay, kind of a short video, but I wanted to point out that over here, when I'm doing work like this, I have the tool and cutter grinder set up for sharpening the lathe bits. So I'm set up to do it. Okay, I think that's about all I can come up with right now. I'll go ahead and finish those parts and then we'll go to the next stage. Okay.